three of the most important characteristics of being a good timpani player, or attributes, if you will. The first being you must play in tune. Second, play with a great sound. And third, with excellent rhythm. So let's start with sound production, how we produce a nice sound on the timpani. You want to think of the sound as a pizzicato bass, maybe a 70-foot bass, a 50-foot bass player, and when you strike the drum, the string would move like this in a pizzicato when a bass is that tall. So what I do is I rotate my wrist as if I'm turning a doorknob or casting a fishing rod, and my fulcrum point is in between my thumb and my index finger and third finger fairly equally, with my index finger being relatively relaxed. I strike the drum, I lift naturally from the head by using the natural rebound of the mallet leaving the head. If I just throw it down on the drum and let it rebound naturally, I just wrap my fingers around and then assist the natural rebound. And you get a sound that's bomb, bomb, bomb. And that's how you produce a good sound on the timpani.